I love watching nature. And when we allow ourselves to just observe, not interfere, just notice, you can see the magic of nature and how things just sort of work out. You have resisting forces, but somehow they're able to balance each other out. It's when one tries to force the will on another that you start to get chaos. When we attach to something and we insist that this is the way things need to be, versus softening, letting go a little bit so we can flow with ease, with peace. That's when we realize that we can have calm in that chaos, that we don't need to add to the chaos. Just observe, notice what's going on, pull back a little bit so you can take in the big picture. And breathe so you can let it go, whatever resistance, whatever thoughts, whatever attachments. And then we can just flow, find the rhythm, and just be with ease and grace.